Big relief to former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, where Manish Sisodia has just been granted bail. Remember, he's been in jail for months together now. I'm going to go straight to Shrishti Oja for more details on that. Shrishti, big relief for the former Deputy CM. Tell us more. What happened in court?
Well, definitely big relief for Manish Sisodia in this case after 17 months in Tihar jail because he was accused in both the CBI and ED matters. Today, Supreme Court has directed his release on bail. We have seen the last 17 months have been rife with setbacks, legal setbacks at least for Manish Sisodia, where he's time and again been denied bail. Today, Supreme Court, in a huge remark that has come in from the top court, said that he has been deprived of his right of speedy trial. Court has also said that High Court and Trial Court should recognize and remember that bail is the rule and jail is an exception. Court has also remarked that High Court and Trial Court are playing safe in these cases and matters and cannot be denied as a matter of punishment. The Trial Court and High Courts need to remember that bail is the rule and jail is an exception. That's a big statement which has come in because remember, both the High Court and Trial Courts in this case, even on the aspect of delay, had refused to grant any relief to Manish Sisodia, saying that he's a key conspirator in this case. And in fact, the delay which has been caused in this entire matter, Manish Sisodia was himself responsible. The Supreme Court has also refused to agree with the Trial Court's observation, where the Trial Court had said that there was a concerted effort by Manish Sisodia along with other accused to delay the trial proceedings by filing a frivolous application. Supreme Court has today said that the ASG has not been able to show any order passed on any of Manish Sisodia's applications, which said that the applications which he was filing were frivolous. According to court, all the applications that were filed by Manish Sisodia before the trial court included applications where he was seeking permission to meet his wife, or whether he had to sign his documents or seek inspection of some unrelied documents which have been filed. Court has said that thousands of documents are involved in both ED and CBI matters in this particular Delhi excise policy case, and therefore to say that the accused cannot be granted reasonable time to even inspect those documents will not be correct. So court has decided to grant bail to Manish Sisodia, where he has to submit a bail bond of 10 lakhs and 2 sureties. He will have to surrender his, he will have to go to police station every Monday. Now, reading out the terms and conditions which the court has imposed, as my colleague Kanu Sharda is sending us updates from inside. Manish Sisodia has been granted bail, but he'll have to surrender his passport. He will have to go to police station every day. We've also seen a request that has come in from the Additional Solicitor General requesting that Manish Sisodia should be barred from entering the Chief Minister's office during the time that he's out on bail. However, the bench has refused to grant that permission. Supreme Court has denied to impose any such restriction on Manish Sisodia that he cannot be allowed to enter the Chief Minister's office. The request was made on behalf of the Council for the probe agencies. Court has said that in matters of liberty, every day counts. So again, like I was saying, definitely a big relief for Manish Sisodia. We saw that last year he was denied bail by the trial court, the High Court, and even the Supreme Court.
Reaction coming in from senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh. Let's take a listen.
देखिए, ये सत्य की जीत हुई है और मैंने जैसा पहले से कहा कि इस मामले में कोई भी तथ्य, कोई भी सत्यता नहीं थी। जबरदस्ती हमारे नेताओं को पकड़ के जेल में रखा गया। मनीष सिसोदिया जी को 17 महीने तक जेल में रखा गया। क्या भारत के प्रधानमंत्री उनके जीवन के इन 17 महीनों का हिसाब देंगे? क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनके इन जीवन के 17 महीनों का हिसाब देगी, जो शायद दिल्ली के स्कूलों को बनाने में काम आता, बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा देने में काम आता? जिंदगी के वो 17 महीने आपने जेल में डालकर बर्बाद किए मनीष सिसोदिया के। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का हृदय से आभार है, सर झुका के नमन है कि लंबे इंतजार के बाद न्याय मिला, एक फैसला आम आदमी पार्टी के पक्ष में, मनीष सिसोदिया जी के पक्ष में, और एक कार्यकर्ता इस फैसले से उत्साहित है। एक देशवासी, दिल्ली का नागरिक इस फैसले से खुश है। और सब ये मानते थे कि हमारे नेताओं के साथ जोर जबरदस्ती और जाति हुई है। हमारे मुखिया अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को अभी भी जेल में रखा है, सत्येंद्र जैन जी को अभी भी जेल में रखा है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं जल्द ही उनको न्याय मिलेगा। प्रभु से प्रार्थना करता हूं जल्द ही वो बाहर आएंगे। और आज ये जो फैसला आया है, मैं समझता हूं केंद्र की सरकार की तानाशाही पर एक जोरदार तमाचा है।
संजय जी, आपकी पार्टी के लिए भी संजीवनी है, आपको लगता है? वही दंड लगे?
ये प्रक्रिया ही तो दंड बन गई थी। आपने जानबूझकर, कभी ईडी आती है कहती है ये जवाब दाखिल करना है, वो जवाब दाखिल करना है, ये सप्लीमेंट्री दाखिल करनी है, वो चार्जशीट दाखिल करनी है। आपने 17 महीने यही तो खेल खेला मनीष सिसोदिया के साथ। तो इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं कि फिर दोहरा रहा हूं, एक पैसे मनीष सिसोदिया के घर से बरामद नहीं हुए, एक पैसे उनके बैंक अकाउंट से बरामद नहीं हुए, एक पैसे उनके यहां से कोई सोना गहना प्रॉपर्टी नहीं मिला। आपने जबरदस्ती एक आदमी को सिर्फ अपनी राजनीतिक द्वेष और दुर्भावना के कारण जेल में रखा और आज उस व्यक्ति को न्याय मिला है। मैं हृदय से सर झुका के माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के इस फैसले का नमन करता हूं। निश्चित रूप से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को भी जल्द जमानत मिलेगी, वो भी जल्द ही बाहर आएंगे। दिल्ली के विधानसभा चुनाव के लिए और हमारे पार्टी के एक एक कार्यकर्ता के लिए बहुत बड़ी खुशखबरी है और इससे निश्चित रूप से हम लोगों को बहुत ताकत मिलेगी और जल्द ही हमारे मुखिया अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और सत्येंद्र जैन जी भी बाहर आएंगे।
All right, you heard there from senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh, talking about the fact that this is vindication.